Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what exactly are layouts in EJS. So basically we use layouts if we want to repeat some content in different web pages. Suppose that there is a web page that have same header and same footer, and that web server has different web pages having same header and same footer. So it will be wise to not use that same header and same footer across different web pages, as it will actually increase our code and make our code or make our web server very heavy. That is same what Bootstrap is doing over here. You can see that this is the header and this is the footer. This is the footer, and Bootstrap is using the same header and footer across different web pages. If I'm going to go inside that home page, the header is same, the footer is same. If I'm going inside docs page, header is same, footer is same. Same with example page, header is same, footer is same. So Bootstrap is using some kind of layouts, and this is what I'm gonna show you today. So here inside views folder, I'm gonna create a new file, and that file I'm gonna borrow it from Bootstrap. So let's go into Bootstrap here, and let's go into example section, and I'm gonna use this cover. I'm gonna go inside view page source, copy everything, create a new index.ejs file, index.ejs, the embedded JavaScript, paste that, and just get the CDN. So yep, now paste that in the head section over here. Alright, now what I have done here is that I have simply borrowed a Bootstrap example web page. I have copied the entire HTML and I have copied the CSS file. Now let's see what exactly this web page look like. So I have first of all installed Express and embedded JavaScript by just typing npm EJS npm express, and inside my app.js I have set up a constant express, and this is equal to express. Let's set up a constant application. This is also equal to express, and my app is listening on port 11234. okay, and I have set up a simple callback. Here I have set up a view engine to EJS. This is important. So I have set up a view engine to EJS. So now I have set up a few like methods what to do. Like if I get a request in my home route, I'm gonna send a response, and in response I'm gonna send index.ejs file, and if I get that in my work route, I'm gonna send a work.ejs file that I'm gonna create in a second. Okay, so now let's see how does the web page look like. So I'm gonna go inside node app.js. My port is running. Okay, I need to save that. Yep, yeah, now it is running on 11234. So I'm gonna go inside that same port, localhost 11234, and the web page is running. You can see that this is basically the header, and this is the footer, and this is the content of the web page. So I want to create 4 web pages, and I don't want to type header and footer again and again. So what I can do here is that I'm going to go inside this views folder, and I'm going to create a new file called header.ejs. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see, like, it's header.ejs, and I'm going to create a new file here called footer.ejs. okay, and inside this header.ejs I'm going to paste the header of my main HTML web page. So let's copy down the header. So header gets ended over here and all the way to the top of the web page. I'm going to select everything, cut that, and paste that inside header.ejs. alright, and I'm gonna copy the footer here and paste that inside footer.ejs. Now let's see what does our web page look like. Now I need to save that. Alright, let's see. This is our web page, no style, nothing at all. So now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to include that header over here and include that footer over here. So how could we do that? let's go on to EJS documentation and let's see what exactly it says about layouts. So let's go in here. Okay, let's search for layouts. EJS does not specifically support blocks, but layouts can be implemented by including header and footer. So for including any EJS web page, we have to just type angular bracket %- include the web page name. Alright, so I'll do that same here. Angular bracket %- include the name. For me it's header, 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 close dash %, and angular braces. Let's refresh the web page. I got the header. Now I need to put the footer. So angular braces %- include footer, angular braces %. Refresh it. I need to save that also, sorry. Include in INCL, include FWTER footer, FWTER footer dot EJS. Okay, I guess I missed here. Yeah, let's refresh it. I got the footer over here. This is basically what is layout in EJS. Now if I want to create different web pages, I can simply copy this code. Let's suppose I have set up a route on my work directory. So I'm going to create a new work.ejs, and here I'm going to just copy all the code from index.ejs and paste it inside work.ejs and change the h1 to I am working right now. Alright, save that. Let's create another file for author. So I'll go inside views folder, create a new file, author.ejs, author.ejs, paste that same file, change the h1. I am the author, save that. Go inside another for contact, type here, go inside views folder, new file, contact, contact.ejs, paste that same file, change the h1. Hey, I am Sahil, contact me on Discord. Alright, now let's try to run that again. Let's see what exactly happens. So I'm gonna go inside root directory, nothing happens. If I'll go inside dash and work, fail to look up views work directory views. Alright, so it's basically work. I haven't set up a work. Let's set up a work right now. New file, work.ejs. Let's copy everything, paste here. Sahil is working right now. If I typed my name in mistake, so Sahil is working right now. Let's run that again. Let's go on to work again, and Sahil is working right now. If I'll go back to my home route, cover the page, if I'll go inside contact, what was the name? It was contact, contact, contact. I got hi, I am the author. And if I'll go inside author, let's see, author, I am the author. I'll go inside contact. Oh, there is something happening. If I'll go inside contact.ejs, hey, I'm Sahil, contact me on Discord. And have I set up contact? I haven't. So let's set up okay, I need to render contact here. I'm rendering author, contact. So let's refresh that. Okay, let's run that again. Refresh that. Hi Sahel, contact me on Discord. If I'll go inside the home directory, I get cover the page. If I'll go inside contact, I get this one. If I'll go inside author, I get this one. If I'll go inside work, I get this one. So basically, without actually typing the entire header and entire footer like over here, like you can see that it is such less code. And if I would have typed a long header like this one, and it will take me a lot of time to actually copy that, and I'll make many mistakes there. And sometimes I also forget to type the header and footer. That is why it's very wise to use the include header and include footer, and we are using embedded JavaScript layouts. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you on another video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.